Hello, welcome to class. Let us have a problem based on area of quadrilaterals. The problem is the parallel sides of a trapezium are 52 cm and 27 cm and the other two sides are 25 cm and 30 cm. Find the area of the trapezium. That means four sides of the trapezium are given to you. You have to find the area of the trapezium. This one without drawing the figure it will be difficult and very tricky question. Very nice, we'll try to understand. What is given is these two are parallel. The parallel sides of a trapezium are 52 cm and 27 cm. This is 52 cm. This is 27 cm. The other two sides are 25 cm and 30 cm. Let me take this as 25 cm, 30 cm. If it is so, you have to find the area of the trapezium. When we know four sides of the trapezium, there is no formula to find area of trapezium. We know the formula for finding area of trapezium is half h into a plus b. So a and b, two parallel sides are known to us, but height, that is distance between two parallel sides, we don't know. So in order to get that, what to be done, let us have. Let me name this figure as A, B, C, D. Let us draw AX parallel to CD. Okay. So let me write what is given here. ABCD is a trapezium. Where AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to 27 cm, BC is equal to 52 cm, AB is equal to 25 cm, CD is equal to 30 cm. Now I told you, draw AX parallel to CD. When AX is parallel to CD, we know that AD is parallel to XC. So AXCD will be a parallelogram. AXCD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. If it is a parallelogram, AD is equal to XC, that is 27 cm. AD is equal to XC 27 cm and AX is equal to CD, that is 30 cm. So this AX will be 30 cm. This is 27 cm. Then BX will be BC minus XC, that is 52 minus 27, that gives you 25 cm. So this BX will be 25 cm. Let me write X here. So now we can see that ABX is a triangle in which the three sides are known to us. So we can find the area of a triangle when you know the three sides of the triangle. Here in this case 25-25 isosceles triangle, you can use the formula for finding area of an isosceles triangle or simply area of a scalene triangle also. You can find the area of this triangle. Once you know the area of a triangle, you can find the height of the triangle, which itself is equal to height of the trapezium. Okay. First, let me find area of triangle ABX. ABX triangle, in order to find ABX is a triangle in which the perimeter of triangle ABC is 25 plus 25 plus 30, that is 80 cm. Perimeter is 80 cm means semi-perimeter, that is S equal to 80 by 2, that is 40 cm. Why? Because area of a scalene triangle is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where small a, small b, small c are the three sides of a scalene triangle. Okay. So semi-perimeter we got. Now let me clear the board and do the rest of the question. Okay. So area of a scalene triangle formula let us use. I can clear all these because all these I have shown in the figure. Little lengthy question but tricky question also. Opposite to angle A, this is to be taken as small a. Opposite to B, this is small b. Opposite to here, X is there, but this can be taken as small c. Because in scalene triangle, we use the sides small a, small b, small c. Area of triangle ABX is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B, C I have shown in the figure. Square root of S is 40, that is semi-perimeter, into 40 minus A is 25, 40 minus B is 30, again 40 minus C is also 25. So we'll get square root of 40 into 15 into 10 into 15. So we can know 15, two 15s are there. When we open the square root, 115 we get. 40 into 10, root 400. And square root of 400 is 20. So 300 cm square is the area of this triangle ABX. But the common formula for finding the area of triangle is half base into height. That is, half base into height is 300. Here the base is BX. Half into BX into height is 300. Now I am clearing the board. Okay. So from this we can find the height of the triangle, which itself is the height of the trapezium. So very easily you can find by using direct formula for area of a trapezium. So here Bx value is, Bx is 25 into height is equal to 300, or h is equal to 300 into 2 by 25. 25 ones are 25 twos are, that is 24 cm. So height we got 24 cm. Now let us use the formula for area of trapezium, which is needed for us. So area of trapezium is half h into a plus b. Here for the trapezium A and B are these two sides. Half h is 24 and the two parallel sides are 27 and 52. 2 1 ja, 2 12 ja. That equal to 12 into 79. 12 9 ja 108, 8 10 carry. 12 7 ja 84, 10 is 94. So the question asked, find the area of the trapezium. That is what we found. Last statement can be written. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.